Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to close eToro account. So if you also want to close eToro account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in www.etoro.com, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of eToro. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be in the home page. At left, you can see several options over here. Scroll down. Find the option for settings. Click on it. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You can see several settings options over here. At second, you'll be able to see the option for account. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see your account informations over here. Scroll down to the bottom. Here you'll be able to find the option for close your eToro account. All you have to do is click on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Read this information very carefully. Now you have to select the category for which you're leaving eToro. Click on this box. Now select the category over here. You can see several options. After you select an option, more options will appear. Click on the option of your choice. Now click on the continue option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Read this information very carefully. They will ask you if your mind is changed. You can read this question, did this solve your problem? You can see your box over here. Click on this. Now you can see three options over here. Select the option yes and I still want to close account, or no, please close my account. Now click on the continue option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several informations over here. After you close your account will be blocked. Your profile will become private. This process may take up to 3 days. You will receive an email to your registered email address. After that, your account will be closed. Now click on the confirm option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Select the option close my account anyway. Now you'll have to enter your password. Click on the password box. Now enter your password. If you do not want to be logged in, you can uncheck this option, keep me logged in for 30 days. Now click on the option confirm closure. After that, your account will be closed. So that is how you close eToro account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.